Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can easily find your Steam ID. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to view, but right before that, as you can see, you don't see any link here. And we are going to enable that you will be able to see the Steam ID. Let's go to view, settings. When you're in the settings, you will be like in account and you want to click on interface. When you're here on the interface, you want to click here, display Steam URL address bar when available. Okay. And right away, you can see that this is my Steam community ID. No 11110. When I go back to view my profile, I can see it here. Let's click edit profile. And you can simply change the custom URL right here. So this is pretty much it, and this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback, guidance, and stuff like that. You know how it works. But yeah. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.